everybody, I just got this big huge package in from one of my pen pals who recently went to Japan, and we had made an agreement that I would send her some money and she would do some Japanese stationery shopping for me. So these are the things that were in the box. So let's see all the lovely, beautiful things that my secret shopper did. So we've got the Traveler's Factory bag here, which is really awesome. I'm really excited about that. And we have a gashapon, and it is the Narita Traveler's Factory edition, which is really cute. So excited about that. I've always wanted one of those. All right, so we've got this big box, but we've also got this really fun looking parcel. So let's open this up. So there were a few things that I asked her specifically to pick up for me. I asked her to pick up some of these short trip inserts because I can't get them here in the States, and it looks like she stamped one of them for me. How beautiful is that? I hope I'm in frame still. So that's really fun. Oh, look at that. Okay. So I did ask if she wouldn't mind to like stamp on all the pages to like pre-decorate them. I hope I'm in frame. I think my camera's too close, but so this is super duper fun. Oh man. I'm totally loving this. This is so nice, Jess! Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I didn't realize they had so many stamps. This is so cool. And then she did this one in the back. All right, so there's 3 of those. And then I also asked her to pick up the new blue canvas insert that they have. So this is the collaboration that they have with this company right here, and it's this really lovely blue, and I got it to go with my new blue edition. I'm not even in frame. So that's really beautiful. All right, and then she also sent back our inserts. We do the Traveler's Notebook snail mail, so I got those back, so that'll be fun to respond to. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Okay, so this neat thing holds flake stickers, which I think is amazing because I don't know about you guys, but I have a ton of flake stickers. And this is a really awesome way to store that. I'm going to try to get through this without coughing because I've been really, really sick. Alright, so this is a really beautiful box. Tokyo Banana. And it's beautifully wrapped. Oh my heavens. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the kitties. Oh, she did the same thing for the half trip. Oh, I love that. Okay, so she did get some half trips of the passport size as well. Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh, this botanical washi is beautiful. Look how cute the little kitty is. Look how pretty. I wonder if these are from the Postal Museum. Those are really beautiful. And a couple Kit Kats that are melted. Ugh, I'll have to put those in the fridge to get them delicious again. Okay, so we've got, ooh, this is awesome. Okay, so this is the, looks like the Traveler's Company or Traveler's Factory washis that she sent me samples of. So that's really awesome because I see there's a Pan Am one. I'm really excited about that. Then there's another washi in here with kitties. Oh my gosh. This is so exciting. Okay. And then we have, it looks like a brush pen. That's exciting. Ooh, look. It's a Sarasa Vintage. I love this. And a Muji pen. Sorry. I did not think I would make it through the whole thing. So that's really exciting. I don't have any Muji pens. And this is really pretty. I wonder what this is. Oh, wow. How pretty is that? Wow, that's gorgeous. Oh, that's cool. This is from our hotel. I love little things like that. I think that's so fun. Okay. So this looks like it might be from the post office, which is really cool. Some beautiful writing paper. That's really pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at all the sakuras. This is incredible. I'm totally blown away right now. Look at these envelopes. Oh, she sent me some of the stamps too. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, this is so fun. Okay, my heart is beating like a mile a minute right now. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this letter writing set. There's so many like sakura. She was there for like prime cherry blossom and sakura season. So wow, this is amazing. I'm so beyond blown away. Look at this pretty origami paper. Another stamp. Look how pretty that paper is. This is so much fun. Okay, so I'm gonna open what I know everybody's been eyeing this whole time, wondering why I've been ignoring it. Just gonna put everything back in here because it's so pretty. I'm excited about these pens. Oh my gosh. Okay. So the other thing that I asked her to pick up for me was, she was there for the Blue Edition release, and I asked if she wouldn't mind picking one up for me while she was there. And I had it in my mind I was only going to get the Passport Edition. Excuse me. And I've always wanted to get something gift wrap from there. I hope I'm still in frame. Yeah. And so I asked her if she wouldn't mind picking one up for me while she was there so I could actually have one from Japan during the release. I just thought it would be special, so take my ponytail off. So let's open it here, and I'm excited because I have one of these little Traveler's Factory tags in the blue leather. And then that pretty tag. And this cool sticker. I'm gonna try to save everything. Okay. Everything is wrapped so beautifully. Alright, so here she is. I have the standard edition 2015 and the 2018, but I was really excited about having the blue in the passport size. I have a special project that I have in mind to use it for, so I'm really excited about it. And like always, the smell is intoxicating. Alright, so there's the elastics. So, alright, I have to say this one is in a totally different condition than the standard size that I have. It almost feels like it's been through war already. Look how, I mean, it smells amazing and it looks just like super wrinkly and indented. It's still soft, but this one almost feels like a mixture of the olive with the suede, but the brown, because it's super wrinkly here. It's really lovely though. This sort of thing doesn't bother me. And it's a lot more flimsy. The standard edition was very, not hard, and it was really soft on the inside. This one's really choppy on the inside. I don't have it in here with me. But yeah, this one's really choppy on the inside, and the other one was really soft. Kind of like how this section is right here, where there's no texture at all to it. This one's got tons of texture. It's super floppy. It feels like it's been loved already. It's so interesting. And this one came from Japan. This wasn't sent over for US resale. Super interesting. So fun. Very cool. So, wow. I'm totally in love. Okay. So there's the extra elastics. And I bet this would even look cute on it. How cute is that? So cute. I'm so excited about all this stuff. You guys have no idea. Let's see. So she didn't stamp this one all the way through, which is cool. I'm okay with that. But she stamped the cover, and how cute is that together? It's like they were made for each other. I love it. So excited. Okay, so yeah, I think that's everything. I hope you enjoyed my little unboxing and didn't get too annoyed with all my oohs and ahs. I will catch you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.